You know how when you blow out your hair and you already know it's gonna be a bomb silk press? Yes. Hey guys, so at the moment I am just doing a film for like my cozy indoor outdoor Skims haul. It's fun, kind of, it's work, but I'm just glad that I'm able to be filming and to dress and to redress and not be completely out of it, because me doing this like a week and a half ago, no ma'am, no ma'am. I would have spent the entire day for the most part like sleeping. So the fact that I was able to get up, make breakfast, make coffee, which is so good by the way, keep getting dressed, redressed, refilming, reshoot, like the fact that I'm able to be working is so nice. And then I have clientele coming, not today, but like later on in the week, which is gonna be even nicer. But yeah, just showing you guys what I'm doing right now. By the way, this is my Above the Bar satin line hoodie. I showed you guys this 1,000 times. And then this is my black Skims fit. Got the body snatched. But yeah, let me get back to it. Good morning, everyone. I just made breakfast, as you guys saw. I made avocado. Well, I didn't make avocado, but I have cheese eggs with avocado and croissants because that's normally my breakfast anyway. I normally have toast, but we had croissants today, so that's what I'm eating. And like, who doesn't love these? These are amazing. Actually, I don't know if these are the proper croissants. I think, yeah, they're the mini ones. Either way, that, and I made a pumpkin vanilla latte with whole milk. I think I've told you guys before, like, I can drink whole milk and be fine. It's my first time having milk in a very long time. So good. Oh my gosh, this is fire. But yeah, I'm just gonna have breakfast. Today I'm going to, it's a perfectly gloomy October day. Like, it's been raining since yesterday. Everything's all wet and gray and I love it. I'm for it. It's still very warm here in Illinois, so I wish it was like, it's like 70 something now, which is great if you're going to like the pumpkin patch and stuff. I need it to be like 55. Is that 75? I need to be like 55. That is fall to me. But either way, I'm gonna eat. I'm going to attempt to film like my fall favorite outfits, or like my cozy outfits for the fall. I don't know how I'm going to word it yet. But it is going to be featuring all of my skim sets. Well, my Cotton Lounge skim sets and my Above the Bar hoodies. So yeah, hopefully that goes according to plan. My hair is in full fro right now, but I love it. I'm for it. But yeah, breakfast is getting cold. I'm gonna eat and I will see you guys later. You guys, hold on. Okay, you'll probably be able to hear me now. It's super gloomy outside. I've been binge watching the Final Destination series, so I'm gonna make me some pancakes. I'm putting away certain dishes. Well, not that one. Yeah, I'm gonna make some pancakes. What did I get on? Nothing has happened for me to like vlog about, which is why I haven't been vlogging for long. But I just hit 200 subscribers. You guys, thank you so much. Like, thank you guys so much. I don't even know how. I don't even know how, because you guys, I've been sick, so I have not been boosting up the content that I normally do. I normally give y'all at least a weekly vlog, but I haven't even been able to do that. So the fact that y'all just keep like liking my stuff and subscribing, and I don't know, it's very humbling. It's super, like, I'm humbled. Thank you guys so much. That's really all I came out here to say. I'm gonna make me some celebratory pancakes. Today's my birthday. I need to put you down. I'm tired. Okay, so today is my birthday, spiritual birthday. I got baptized October 6th, 2006. So it's October 6th, 2001. Yay me. It's been rough, okay? But like, God got my back. So again, I'm celebrating a couple things today. Hey guys, it is Saturday. I think it's the 9th, I think. Okay, yeah, so it's Saturday, it's the 9th. I'm just in the living room. I was watching the tube. Nothing really happened this week. I did straighten my hair. Like, my hair is straight. I'm so sorry I didn't record for you guys. It was literally a spur of the moment situation. I wasn't trying to do it, again, spur of the moment. I don't think I'm going to be straightening my hair for another, I don't even know how many months it's been. I haven't straightened my hair at all this year. So, plus, you know, it wasn't long enough to straighten either. So, I don't think I will for quite some time. My hair wasn't acting right, so I straightened her out. She does have a lot of dimension in there because you guys know I did highlights earlier this summer, and then I just kind of put a dark color on top, my natural color back on top, because I was like, but you know, let me take my little clip out, my little clippy clip, so you guys can see the full array.
She's pretty. I just finished like trimming my hair, so it is what it is. I don't know if I'm going to be doing anything later to show you guys, but if not, this is the end of the very mediocre vlog, but I do love you guys. Again, thank you everyone so much for 200 subscribers, because like what? That's absolutely insane. I hope I have something else later on to show you, but we'll see. Whatever. I love you guys, and I will see everybody either in my next one or when there's something more interesting to do.